Alright, we're going to go and chop our garlic. Then we can make this a rough step because this garlic will be boiled, so it will be soft. We don't have to cut it as small as we would if we were just sauteing it. Butter's starting to cook up, so we're going to measure out our cup of rice. We're just going to swirl around to get the butter and the oil in all of it, and it will soak up the flavor, the rice will. So we're going to add a 1/4 cup of white rice to keep it from burning. And we're going to go back to our vegetable stock, and we're going to measure out 2 cups. You see how I used that? Same measuring cup and the liquid here. We'll remove all of our rice. We're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to cover it and reduce the heat, and then we're going to cook it for about 15 minutes.